Want to know what's new in the camera app in iOS 26? Whether you take quick photos or enjoy shooting in detail, it's important to understand the latest feature to get the best results. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about the updated camera app in iOS 26. Let's get started. Step 1. Swipe through camera modes. First, open the camera app. Swipe through camera modes. The familiar swipe UI is still here, but smoother than before. There are different kinds of mode for you to swipe through, like photo, video, cinematic, slow-mo, and some more. Step 2. Manual controls and quick settings. Tap the 6-dot menu at the top or swipe up in photo mode to access. Flash, night mode, exposure, timer, filters, aspect ratio. Step 3. Zoom and lenses. Tap between lenses or pinch to zoom. iOS 26 adds smoother transitions and improved digital zoom quality. And that's it. Now you know how to use the camera app on iOS 26 like a pro. Try out these features and make the most of your iPhone camera. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching.